Welcome to the number garden, where the flowers love to grow. Count them as they open up, nice and steady, nice and slow. One little sunflower reaches for the sun, two bright daisies join the fun. Three red tulips wobble in a row, four bluebells start to gently glow. Five tiny lilies laugh with cheer, six green leaves flutter near, seven marigolds tip and sway, eight sweet roses shout hooray! Nine purple pansies stretch up high, 10 white blossoms touch the sky, 11 daffodils begin to dance, 12 shy violets take a chance. 13 neat orchids shine so bright, 14 petals sparkle in the light, 15 pink petunias twirl around, 16 poppies pop from the ground. 17 tall tulips wave with pride, 18 bright blossoms side by side, 19 tiny buds peek out, almost done, 20 blooms burst out as one. Count them once and count again, numbers growing like the rain. In the number garden, come and see, learning numbers is fun as can be.